going on, guys? So today we're going to start this assembly process of this long block so we can start getting our measurements. Now I know I usually jump in with a little intro, but I just wanted to get to the point and start things. So there are, of course, like I said, this is an automatic. It came out of an automatic. So what we're gonna have to do today is got to get this flex plate off of here because a flywheel's got to go on. Well, I got to be able to get off of that so I can get to the rear main seal and all that good stuff. So without further ado, I'm going to use my impact to get 4 of them off, and then I'm going to use my breaker bar and show you guys how to do that in case you don't have access to air. So let's get started. And these are 12 points, by the way. So you will need a 17 mils 12-point socket. Alright, so now those are out. What I'm going to do, take 25 mil breaker bar. And then take something like a screwdriver, stick and run that in. That should do it. There we go. That one's loose. And boom. And got the other one. So, those are broken loose. And the shim is no longer necessary because the flywheel is going to go right onto that. And looks like this rear main seal is a little weepy, but it's not bad. It's definitely been changed. So, okay. So, there's a windy day out. I apologize for that, folks. Next thing we're going to do, this is a junkyard engine. It's supposed to come without any oil in it. We're supposed to take all that stuff out, EPA and everything. But we're going to make sure right now. Oh yeah, and she's still got oil in it. So we'll let that drain, and we'll get the rest when we take this oil pan off. Alright, get that out of the way. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to get this intake manifold off of here. They're all 12 mil. Okay, now intake manifold's off. Accidentally broke this breather tube for the EGR off the black box. So looks like we're gonna have to take a trip to the junkyard and get one of these. It's not gonna be fun to get to, but gotta get one. So yeah, that kind of sucks. But I'll go price them out online. Maybe they're not so expensive used or something. Oh man, oh well. So what's next? Let's get started taking this head off of here.
Could that be? Could that be?
All right. Couple love taps. Love taps. There we go. Just clean.
That doesn't look too bad.
It's really clean. She's really clean. I don't see any scoring. Let's see. Cam looks nice. I don't see any scoring, so let's keep moving forward. Let's get the breaker bar and yeah, start knocking some of these suckers loose. Actually, first things first, let's get these spark plugs out of here. Alrighty, so next thing we got to do is we've got to get this bouncer off of here. So it's a 17 mil. And there you go. Now keep in mind there's a Woodruff key in here. So come on. And there's the key. I don't know if you can see it in my hand. See? So we don't want to lose that. Alright, kiddos. Got the timing belt off. It's in actually really good shape. I don't see any cracks or anything in it. Looks really nice. Probably been serviced quite recently, actually. Tensioner actually looks brand new. So, what you want to do is when you're breaking head bolts loose, you always want to start. Now, when you're tightening, you know you go from the inside out. When you're loosening, you want to go from the outside in. So, 17 mil, 25-inch breaker bar. And that's one. 9 more to go. Oh, yeah, I said 17, it's a 14. Alright, so back. Had to get something a little thinner. Get down in there. That's 2. Over here. Yeah. Oh, you look fine. Okay. Funny story, we're doing this on front prelude. I directed one time, and this is, 17 or something like that. And we were trying to do this on an 18.3 with a regular Pressman 3 swank. Snap the gears next. And over. Let's get back in frame. There we go. Alright. I got that. Let's get these suckers out of here. Funny story, we were doing this on a friend's Prelude after he wrecked it one time. And this is, man, we were young, like 17 or something like that. And we were trying to do this on an H23 with a regular Craftsman 3/8 ratchet. Snap the gears in that sucker. And one more. Let's get you back in the frame. There we go. Alright. Now we got that. Let's get these suckers out of here. Alright. That's that. Let's get this head off of here. This would probably help if I took this bracket off. All that stuff's gonna get painted. But off with her head. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Alright, yeah. A little carboned up. What do you expect for 200,000 miles? So, yeah, let's flip this puppy over and get this oil pan off of here. Alright, guys. So, we are going to get this oil pan off of here so that way we can flip this puppy upside down. Get these main caps off and this girdle off. I'm putting all the oil pan bolts, put them all in a Ziploc bag so we don't lose track of them. Yep, got them all. Let's get our little love tapper. Go. Look at that. You see that? Yeah, it's looking good. Somebody definitely took care of this engine. I will say that for sure. Let's get this oil pan out of the way. Alright. So, let's clean up this hardware and we'll be right back. Well, guys. Got a little overzealous flipping this block over and made a little bit of a mess. That's cool, I got some Absorball. We'll take care of it. What am I kicking around? Clip for the dipstick. So, block's turned over. Everything actually looks really clean. So, the only thing really left now is, just got to get this rear main seal off of here. I don't know if you can see that with the shadow. Yeah, rear main seal's got to come off. Oil pickup's got to come off. And the girdle's got to come off. And then we can get these rods out of here. And pistons, and yeah. Then we can get our measurements. So yeah, let's get to that. Alright, so rear main seal. It's 410 mils. That's 4. Alright. She might need a little persuasion. Alright. Let's get this off here. 10 mils. Do the same thing here. Put all these nuts back on. Even this gasket for this pickup too is in good shape. Now I'll take these nuts out of here, or these bolts, these nuts off of here when I send the deck off. But I'll bag them and label them so that way I know exactly where I'm sent, what's what. Battery's getting low, so let's go ahead and take this girdle off. It's going to be 10/17s, so actually they might be 14s, and indeed they are. Again, same deal, took it out. Start outside. Order me in. Move. Go. 2. That's 3. That's 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a little beady. 8. That's 9. And do it again. So let's start battery and we'll be back. And that'll be 10. And you'll get the idea. So let's conserve battery and we'll be back. Alright, so girdle's off. What I can tell, these mains are beautiful. I'm pretty sure everything's going to be in spec. So what we're going to do now, let's get these rods and pistons out of here. So 12 mil. Bang. Rods. Caps off. Let's go. Tangs only go one way. And man, I know I keep saying it, but these bad mother fudgers look really, really good. These journals are all going to be in spec. There's no doubt in my mind. None at all. So I'm going to repeat the process 3 more times, and then we're going to come back and pull this, the crown jewel of the whole thing. We're going to come back and we're going to pull this freaking crankshaft out of here, and then we'll be done for this part of the video. Alright guys, all we have left now is get this front main seal off of here. Sorry if I'm shaking you. Let's see. And then, yeah. Front main seal comes off, then, it's gonna be bang, 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 bang. 4 bolts. Probably 5. Out of here. Now remember, this came out one way, but it can only go back in one way. It is keyed. And the front main seal looks good. Now we're just going to put this back in. And ladies and gentlemen, provided we're still recording here, because I am getting low on battery, I'm actually almost dead. Pièce de résistance. There she is. That's what we've been working towards the whole time. She's out. Thrust washer fell, oh well. But that's what we're looking for. This is what the whole thing. So now that's out, I can measure my clearance on my cylinders, so I can actually order pistons. I can actually measure these journals, so I can actually order some rods and bearings. And yeah, that's going to be the end of this part, because this is going to be a multi-part engine build. So till next time, like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much for watching. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, we won. Today is a win. Peace.